In this video, I will teach you how you can use ChatGPT for your personal financial planning.
We have to plan our retirement financial thing in the chat GPT. So now let's give a prompt. Hi, can you please build me a retirement plan?
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
And let's click on enter. And ChatGPT started giving us a response. So in this response, basically it has been divided into several steps where you can consider each and every step. So let's start from the beginning. So building a retirement plan involves several key steps. As I told you, the first step is towards determining retirement goals. So it means that you have to determine what exactly your goals are and assess current finances. So you have to calculate your annual income or the expenses you are doing and also the total cash flow, right? And you have to set a retirement age. And next step is estimating retirement expenses. So whatever the cost expenses you get after the retirement, that you have to estimate it, or the cost estimation you get before the retirement plan, right? And also you have to determine retirement income source and also calculate retirement and also access and adjust investment. And you have to, and also you have to keep some emergency fund and insurance with you. And you have to plan for healthcare as well and continuously monitor and adjust. These are the suggestions given by ChatGPT for you.
Before moving further, I wanted to tell you that we at Be10x offer in-depth workshops on AI tools for just rupees 9. And in this workshop, you will be mentored by two alumni of IIT Kharagpur. So take the first step towards mastering AI tools and prompt engineering skills with Be10x. That's right, a small investment for a big leap in your knowledge. Click the link in the description to access our workshops and unlock your AI potential today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your AI journey with Be10x now.
Alright, now let's be very particular and specific. Now let's ask ChatGPT, hi, can you please build me a retirement plan for India? I want to retire in next 20 years with a corpus of 20 crore rupees. And now let's click on enter. And ChatGPT started giving us a response. So now it's been a very specific, right? So we are asking it for 20 years plan so that I can retire after that and make some corpus of 20 cr, right? So now it has given us a many more steps to follow and also the exact or precise ways like retirement lifestyle. Like first you have to define your lifestyle, like what you do, what are the cost expenses and many more. And also you have to assess current finances like calculating your net worth, analyze income and expenses, right? And also we have already set a retirement age, that's 20 years from now. And also we have to estimate retirement expenses like project living expenses and many more. And also we have to determine retirement income source like other than pf or even EPF, right? And also you will get some funds like PPF, which is public provident fund. You have to calculate or you have to involve all these things and sum up it and also see the cost estimation and your savings ultimately, right? And coming to step 6, it will be calculating retirement saving needs. And also step 7, accessing and adjustment of investments. And at step 9 you will be having a plan of healthcare, which is actually important thing. You have to consider it like health insurances and many more, right? And you at step 10, the continuous monitoring and adjustment is required, right? And also there are additional considerations like tax planning, real estate and many more. So this is exactly or specific about Indian financial planning for the retirement. And now this response is very generic. So now let's make it very specific about our need, right? So now the prompt goes like this. This response is very generic. Can you please be specific that how can I invest per month and where I should invest per month to build a corpus of 20 crore rupees in next 20 years. So now let's click on enter and see what ChatGPT responds. So now it has given us many suggestions like assumptions, monthly investment plan. That is like if you have somewhere around 1 lakh of investment amount, then how you can allocate it, right? And also you have public provident fund, which is actually a investment amount, and also you have some allocations for that, and talking about equity and also real estate emergency fund and many more. So monitoring and adjustment is also required, and in note it has given some hypothetical examples like actual returns can vary, right? So thinking hypothetically is also required in this particular thing, and this is how you can take help of ChatGPT, and you can also modify the prompts very specifically to your needs, or you can tailor the prompts, right? So this is all about how you can use ChatGPT for your personal financial planning. And to know more about such AI tools in your daily life to make your productivity 10x, you can join our live workshop, and the link is in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.